Today I'm going to be taking a look at photospots. It's a tool designed by a guy called Mike One, and ultimately it can show the volume of photos taken across the globe in relation to a community of photographers on the site 500px or 500 pixels. It's a fantastic tool. I've already used it to get some great insight for upcoming trips. So here you can see a view which loads when you go to the website, and it's obviously showing that largely there's a lot of photos taken in mainland Europe, the UK, and on the east coast of America in this view. So you can pan around and you can kind of see that there are a lot of photos taken in very dense areas. So I'm just going to show you a few use cases on how you can use it in day-to-day life. I'm going to go into the UK because that's the geography that I'm most familiar with. So at the moment this is showing pretty much all of the data. So Mike's built in a feature and you can filter it by month taken. Not everywhere looks beautiful all year round, so we're going to go to August to start with. So that would be the UK summer. So you can already see that some of the data has gone away because it's obviously disregarded the other months, and now it's just looking at photos taken during August. So London, very popular hotspot. It's kind of busy all year round. Also interestingly, down in the southwest corner, so this is like the Cornwall part of the UK. This is notorious for being busy around the summer holidays, and also the west of Ireland. So if you was going to the UK on holidays during August, then maybe this would be a good way to kind of find out where people go to get good photos. And I say good photos because you can kind of see the quality of the photographers that actually use the 500 pixel website. What I really like about this tool is that you can, say you find a nice photo, this one's obviously really pretty, you can instantly see where it has been taken on the map. So that is actually on the west coast of Wales, by the looks of it, in a form of national park. This one I'm very familiar with, in London, in the middle of the hotspot. And then if you wanted to maybe look at other times of the month, then go to April. Going to April because it's actually another school holiday. So interestingly, not as many people go to the southwest region during April, probably because it's a little bit cooler, not as sunny, sometimes overcast. However, people kind of go to the Hebrides, which is a lovely part of Scotland. And again, you can use the images down the bottom. This is probably London Zoo, that one. Unfortunately, the map doesn't allow you to do it in reverse, so you can't hover over the hotspot to find out what the photo looks like at that location. That might be a nice feature in upcoming releases. Another point that I'm going to point out, I do love the tool, but it would also be great to somehow get hotspots based on how good a photo is or how good the scenery is, because at the moment this is only showing quantity, and obviously quantity doesn't mean, or doesn't always mean, quality. So this is just pointing out that a lot of photos are taken in London. And yeah, well done Mike, great tool. I've already used it to look around Asia for an upcoming trip, and I'd really advise just other people to do the same, because it does really allow out a nice bit of exploring. So you can just kind of zoom in and out, and if you zoom in on an area, then the photos will change down the bottom. So again, you can kind of exactly see where the photos are being taken, which is great.